In this video, we're going to look at Sorare, which is a digital card collection for different types of sports. As well as that, we're going to learn how to create a league, which you can play along with your friends.
Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice or way to do your own research before investing any money.
Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Guys, here we are over on Sorare.com. As always, links can be found down below in the description. Now, you can see digital collectibles have been a very big thing around the world for many years now, with football cards, baseball cards, and various others, sometimes reaching into the multi-millions of dollars. And now we are starting to take that online. But the cool thing about doing it online is that there is a much more functionality available with your different collectibles. Now you can see that you can collect different cards, and then you can use these cards to create a squad. Once you have a squad, you can then compete with other people around the world in order to earn more cards, which is very, very cool. They've already partnered up with some of the biggest leagues around the world, such as the NBA, the Premier League. So in order to get started, all you need to do is click on sign up on the top right hand side. Once you're inside, you then need to go through and choose the sport which you want to play. Now obviously I'm English, so I'm going to select football, select the league you want to play in, and then I'm going to select the league that I want to play in. You can see they have all the major leagues from around the world. We're just going to select the English Premier League. Then what I need to do is I need to build my squad, and I can win rewards. Okay, so each game week, your team's performance will help you win amazing digital trading cards, rewarded, and get great results. So obviously every week games are happening in the Premier League, and the performance of that individual on that particular game will help me get points. Obviously if they're scoring goals, they're doing well, I'm going to get points for that. If they're not having such good games, getting red cards and stuff, then I'll probably lose me points as well. So I can go through and I can select my players as we go through. Now I don't know a huge amount about football, so let's just race through and choose a team here of various different players, and you can see you can select all different players from across all of the clubs. And because it's registered and it's the official representation of the Premier League, you're getting all these real players here with all their real pictures, etc., which is obviously very cool. And we have nearly picked our entire team. Now we need to pick a goalkeeper. Let's go for the England goalkeeper here, and then select a reserve goalkeeper who we can pick here. Now, once I've picked my entire team, I have a budget that I have to stay below. I only have 400 points. Now you see these blue tokens here. I need to remain under 400 to be able to pick my team, and then I can confirm the draw. And you can see it's just helping me build the team as we go through for each different position. Awesome. Now I've got my team selected here, and you can see that we'll obviously have to wait for the next game to happen in the league. Now what I can do as well, which is really cool, is I can create a league. So all I need to do is click up here on play. Once I click on play, I can then click on private leagues. And then you can see I don't have any at the moment, so I can create a league. I can add a logo, and I can just write in whatever league I want to call it. English New League, league for anyone around the world, or whatever you want to call it, right? And then I can select the league that I want to play in. Obviously, I've already gone for the Premier League. I can talk about what else goes on in here, but we're just going to click on create. And then you can see I can invite other people to join my league. Now you can see at the moment my team is here. They are number 1 because obviously I've not entered anyone else into the league. Now there's tons of ways to interact with Sorare. You can come through and you can click on prize pools, and you can see that there's lots of competitions and things going on. Some of them will have entry fees where you pay a little entry fee, but if you win, you then basically keep the pot. There's lots of different things that go on in here, and obviously if you want to make your team better and you want to select a group of players who you think are going to earn more rewards, then you need to basically add some funds into the platform. That's going to help you to boost your team's performance, because ultimately each week you'd expect the higher level players to perform better on average. So basically you can interact with this platform for absolutely free, and it's a very, very cool thing indeed. Now I've seen for years people talking about doing sweepstakes or other things like dream fantasy leagues, whatever the country, whatever the sport, and this is a really, really interesting platform that is really opening up my eyes to the worlds of online gaming and GameFi in general. Everything I've talked about today, guys, can be found through the link down below in the description, so head across to Sorare.com. If you found today's video useful or interesting, hit the like button for me. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about GameFi, crypto, NFTs, and much, much more, then subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.